Us on Valley News Live. Pay close attention to what it looks like here in the FM area. You're looking from our Luther Family Forward view. That's the 32nd Avenue exit off of I-29. Very crunchy grass out there, super dry, and many counties are seeing the same thing. We'll compare that to an area on our STORMTEAM Skycam network that shows some completely different conditions. Right now, look at the sizzle. Central South Dakota again in the 100+ degree category. Now our far southern counties are still feeling some heat. Where you see the bright red line there's 90-degree weather. It continues there, and we're near 90 elsewhere. We hit 90s up near the Canadian border once again. Current conditions at Hector, 82 for Fargo Moorhead, and we do have those winds from the north-northwest now gusting at 26 miles per hour, and those north-northwest winds are going to bring some significant change to your forecast as we go through the next 24 hours. But for now, Badette, you have 83 degrees. It's 88 in Hallock. It's 90 in Grand Forks this hour, and it's sizzling down in the Aberdeen and Watertown areas in the mid-90s there. Now factor in that humidity, and things are pretty hot. Now look at Pierre, 104. This same area here, those heat index values are extremely high. That's what it feels like outside. And our body cools off by sweating, and that sweat evaporates. But when it's humid, it doesn't evaporate too quickly. And that makes it feel hotter than the thermometer tells us it is. So this means we can overheat pretty quickly out there, southeast portions of South Dakota and southwest Minnesota. Showers and thunderstorms this morning, now moving off into Wisconsin, and left behind some sunshine here in northwest Minnesota. That destabilized the atmosphere, and that's the area we've been talking about watching. And lo and behold, we do have a strong thunderstorm now that has moved into northern parts of Beltrami County. It's north of the upper Red Lake. It's moving southeast at a pretty good clip of about 35 miles per hour. It's showing some signs of lightning and hail right now. We'll monitor it closely. It's below severe levels. Now, the north wind's going to bring some change, but one of them, the return of smoky conditions here to the valley. Keep that in mind in your forecast as we go through the night tonight. Those north winds are going to bring air with a lot less humidity to it. So not as much air you can wear as we go through the next 24-hour period. And it does look like any thunderstorm chances will quickly be out of the area. In fact, by 8 or 9 o'clock for us. Overnight, those north winds will dry things out enough where we'll be able to cool off to comfortable levels up north, maybe even crack the windows open just a little bit. Here still in the low 60s for the Southern Valley. That's how we start our day. Sunshine aplenty, and look, it's still going to be hot on those thermometers. We're going to see some spots that approach the 80s and 90s tomorrow, but it'll be a lot less sticky out there. So we're going to see an increase in clouds late in the day. Temperatures that'll be warm, but not as hot. And we will be a little cooler in northwest Minnesota with 70s there for some of you. But again, very thick smoke potential over the next couple of days. And actually, it's been crawling across the bottom of your screen. We have an air quality alert for our Minnesota counties, and it'll be plenty smoky here in North Dakota. Increasing clouds late in the day could lead to a spotty sprinkle in the forecast as we close out the work week on Friday, but I wouldn't count on it. Remember, I told you to look at the crunchy grass in the FM area? Dakota Magic Casino. Rounds and rounds of rain down there have really greened things up. It's amazing what a little rain will do. 63 tomorrow morning in Fargo. Ramp it up into the low 80s with increasing clouds late in the day. North wind continues, but not as strong or gusty as we have out there right now. 70s northern Minnesota, low 80s elsewhere here in the valley, and a gorgeous shot here by Mark. Uploaded at valleynewslive.com. That's at the Bednar Dam. Now take a look at your planning forecast. Smoky chance the next couple of days. The air quality alert remains in effect through Friday, then Saturday and Sunday. We see temperatures slide back down into those seasonable areas with climbing temperatures next week, and nary a raindrop on that 7-day planner. So it looks pretty dry for most of us. And we want to announce the winner of the Cashwise photo contest this week, and it's Karen Matzenbraten. Look at the pool party there at the kids. What an awesome picture. Congratulations on winning $250 from our friends at Cashwise.
I want to hang out at Karen's house.
It looks fun, doesn't it?
All right, thanks, Hutch.
You bet.